What's up guys, and welcome to another video. So today we are having our first trip outside of Canggu and we are going up to Ubud, and we're really excited to go up there because it looks so beautiful. You've got the waterfalls, the rice fields, and it's going to be nice to start exploring more of Bali. This is just the very start. We're going to be exploring as much as possible while we're here and bringing you guys along all the way. So I hope you enjoyed this vlog. We're about to get ready to leave. Juice is coming with us, so we're going to be showing you where we're staying. We're both staying in different places. We'll give you a tour of both of them and what the price is like, and we'll show you our whole trip as well. So much fun. I can't wait to get this vlog started. Let's go. Are you ready for our trip to Ubud?
Yes, I'm so excited.
Also, yesterday we picked up some new helmets. These are the old ones that we got with our bike, but these are our new ones. That's Natalie's, and this is mine. They actually, for both of these helmets, it only cost 500k. So that was like converted, I think it was around 30 euro to get both of them. So if you're coming to Bali for a long time, I highly suggest getting your own helmet because they're just more comfortable. You know, get a visor with it, and yeah, I just suggest getting your own helmet if you're going to be here for a couple of months.
It's also clean, and you don't want to wear the helmet that you don't know how many people wore before. So
yeah, definitely more hygienic to get your own. Power Rangers, ready?
ready.
Let's go! Okay, so we've just took a quick pit stop to get some water, and we're about 15 minutes away from Ubud. We decided not to get some food in Canggu. We decided just to get to Ubud and get some food there. You know, new scenery, new places to try and show you guys. So we're gonna get back on the bikes now. We have refueled with some water, got hydrated. We're gonna get back on the road. Let's go! We're here. Woo. So we just made it to Ubud. We have arrived. Super excited to check the place out. And first stop is going to be going to get some food because we're all really hungry. And then we're going to check into Juice's villa. And then we're going to go check into our villa. Where are you staying, man?
Villa Salabella.
Behind there. You can actually see. Oh, it's
Wow!
So we've just arrived in Sayuri. Hopefully I'm saying that right. And we're gonna get our first meal here. Looks really nice, the vibe's really good, and I think the motto is like healthy food, is it? Healing food. The motto here is healing food, so they've got, yeah, we're gonna check out the menu and have a look, and we'll show you what we get. Thank you.
Balinese yogurt, brand new.
Yes. Look how happy Juice is. I swear, here in Bali, and you'd never feel happier eating food than anywhere else in the world, at least for me anyway. The food here is just, it's different levels above anything else I've tried. With that being said, I need to eat. Oh yeah. It's really not hard to be a vegetarian or a vegan over here. We've just finished having our breakfast, and I would definitely highly recommend this place. The food was so amazing. Everything's vegan on the menu, but they have like a wide variety of loads of different types of food. And the motto here, as I said, is healing food, and I definitely feel healed after that food. How do you guys feel? Healed. So we're going to chill for a couple of more minutes, and then we're going to go to check out Juice's villa, and then we'll be going checking into our villa at 3 o'clock. So we'll see you there. Okay, so we've just drove through the jungle and it was amazing, so much greenery, it looked so good, and then we made it to where Juice's villa is, and I want to show you guys through this door. I haven't walked through yet, but I've got a glimpse of what it looks like, and wow, I think it's going to be spectacular, so let's go take a look. Baby, what do you think of this place?
This is like heaven on earth. You know, you see something like this in the movies and you don't believe that it's actually real. Like, we're in a movie.
Yeah, so after checking out the room more, while it looks nice, there is some insects around the bed, there's some ants on the bed, and we're not very insect people, and it's very kind of open, a lot of cobwebs and stuff like that, so we're gonna have a look for something else. We're gonna just leave here now and figure out. Yeah, I can hear things in the room as well, so let's go right now. Okay, so we just spoke to them and we've cancelled the reservation. So we're basically just gonna go for a smoothie now, maybe get something small to eat and figure out the situation, because yeah, we can
everything happens for a reason. This happened because there's something better for us to find.
Exactly, yeah, it's not so bad. Like it's the afternoon, so we've got plenty of time to figure out another solution, so it's not a big deal. So we've just finished up our lunch in Zest and it was amazing. Highly recommend the smoothie bowls here. Definitely check this place out if you're in Ubud. And now we're heading to check out our new villa. So yeah, let's go and we'll show you what it's like when we get there. Okay, so we've just got here and already I'm feeling a much better vibe. I think this place is going to be really nice. It says luxury villa and it was only €29 for 2 nights. So let's see what we get.